BittyBrush. Hi, let's draw a cute giraffe. Circle your hand. Great. Eyes. Mouth and tongue. Ears, horns, spots. Let's paint the giraffe yellow. You're doing great. What a beautiful giraffe. The horns are brown. Let's paint the spots brown. Orange eyes. The tongue is red. Subscribe to the BittyBrush channel. Bye bye.